Welcome to Autel Training Video. This video will introduce the most convenient functions provided by MaxiTPMS TS508. Autel has always known that maintaining tire pressure monitoring system is nothing easy. That's why we've developed the TS508 that will simplify the process from tons of guesswork into standard procedures. Procedures such as activation, diagnostics, relearn and sensor programming are all easily available. The TS508 offers the Busy Technician 2 service modes: Quick and Advanced. Both modes are designed with step-by-step directions for the technician to successfully complete the operation. Quick mode performs basic functions: scan and program MX sensors, display vehicle-specific relearn procedures, check MX sensor information and OE sensor information. Need to test or activate a sensor? The TS508 makes it easy. Select Quick Mode from the large color display. Select the vehicle make, model and year. Select Scan Sensor. Place the tool alongside the sensor on the tire. Press Y and the tool will scan the sensor attempting to activate it. If the sensor is good, the sensor ID, tire pressure, temperature and battery condition will display. Need to program an MX sensor? Select Program Sensor and choose one of the 3 programming methods. If the existing sensor can be activated, the technician can program a new MX sensor with a copy by activation mode. Or use copy by input programming. Read the ID off the existing sensor and manually input the ID into the tool and program the MX sensor. Both the copy by activation and copy by input methods eliminate the need for the sensor IDs and corresponding wheel location to be relearned to the vehicle. Autel's new Auto Create method can program up to 16 sensors with a press of a button. It's a great feature for fleet technicians. Need the relearn procedures for a specific vehicle? Select Relearn Procedures. The relearn procedures for every TPMS-equipped US, Asian, and European vehicle will display on the screen. No need for relearn charts or internet lookups. Now we come to the Advanced mode. Advanced mode performs complete TPMS functions. Check sensor and diagnose TPMS system status. Program MX sensors. Display relearn procedure and perform sensor position relearn. Check OE sensor information, MX sensor information, and OBD locations. To do complete TPMS service in the Advanced mode, we will need the OBD cable to connect TS508 to the vehicle. TPMS Diagnose. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate all the sensors. When all the sensors have been triggered, the OBD Diagnose option will come out. When connected to the vehicle via the OBD2 port, the TS508 can access the TPMS module to read and compare the registered IDs with those activated at the Wheel and Retrieve system codes. The status screen enables the technician to identify at a glance the cause of the TPMS error and to see if the module contains codes too. Program Sensor. Besides the 3 sensor programming options in Quick Mode, the Advanced Mode offers the additional MX Sensor programming option, Copy by OBD. Press Y to continue. TS508 will automatically read sensor IDs from the ECU and display the IDs on the screen. Place the MX sensor near the top of the TS508 and select one sensor ID. Press Y to copy the ECU sensor ID into the MX sensor. Copy by OBD, when available, is highly recommended as an efficient sensor programming method. No relearn is necessary when the MX sensor is put in the same replaced sensor position. Position Relearn. The TS508, when connected to the OBD2 port and operating in the advanced mode, can relearn IDs directly to the TPMS module by performing OBD Relearn. More than 35% of today's vehicles require sensors with new IDs be relearned this way. Whether a straightforward or more complicated TPMS repair, the TS508's 2 modes of operation, combined with its ease-of-use push-button navigation and colorful graphic interface, takes the guesswork out of every TPMS service. With the TS508 in hand, TPMS will never be a challenge again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply contact us.